In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block adult content on Brave browser. By the end, you'll have Brave set up to automatically filter out adult sites using a trusted DNS provider, which is a great option for shared or family devices. This method works inside Brave only and uses Brave's built-in security settings, so you don't need extra extensions or outside tools. Start by opening your Brave browser. Once it's up, look to the top right corner of the window for the three-line menu icon. Click that to open Brave's main menu. From there, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Brave's preferences laid out, and will stay within this tab for the rest of the setup. On the left-hand sidebar, click Privacy and Security. This section controls what data Brave shares, how it handles site permissions, and importantly for us, how it secures your connection. Next, select Security. This page includes features like safe browsing and secure DNS. The option we want is the one that manages DNS, which is the service your browser uses to look up website addresses. Find the area that lists your DNS provider. Brave lets you pick a provider that blocks certain categories of content at the network level before pages even load. Open the DNS provider menu and choose CleanBrowsing Family Filter. In many versions of Brave, it appears as CleanBrowsing Family Filter. This provider is designed to block adult content, along with related categories that are commonly used to bypass filters. As soon as you select it, Brave will start using that filter for your browsing. There's nothing else you need to save here. Brave applies the change immediately. If a page you expect to be blocked still appears, give it a moment and refresh the tab. Filters work by blocking the address lookup, so once the new setting is active, those sites won't resolve in Brave. A few quick notes to keep in mind. This setting affects Brave only. Other browsers or apps on your device won't be filtered by this change. If you ever want to switch providers or turn the filter off, just return to the same security page and pick a different DNS option. And remember, this approach focuses on network-level blocking. It's a simple, low-maintenance layer of protection that pairs well with device-level controls if you use them. That's it. You've configured Brave to block adult content using the CleanBrowsing Family Filter. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to double-check your settings.